Today, we are gonna fix dev error 7186 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. With the latest update, we start encountering error in the MW2 and Warzone 2. One of my viewers asked me to help solve this issue. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a definitive solution through my research. However, in this video, I will show you general solutions that work when encountering any error in Xbox games. These solutions are effective for almost every game. You can give them a try. These solutions also work for PlayStation. But since I don't have a PlayStation, you will need to perform them yourself. Our first solution consists of 4 simple steps. Our first step is to update our console and our game. To update our console, we open Settings. Then, we go to the System section and click on Updates. If there is an update available for our console here, we do this update. To update the game, we click on My Games and Apps. Then, we hover over our game and press the menu button. After doing this, we click on Manage Game and Add-ons. We click on Updates. After doing this, we click on Update All and perform the update. Since I'm recording a video, I won't be showing the update process. Our second step is to clear the game data. Accumulated game data can sometimes lead to issues. To clear the game data, we again hover over Code and press the menu button. Then, we click on Saved Data. Since I have cleared the game data before, I can see reserved space here. You also need to delete that. When deleting the game data, make sure you click on Delete from Console, not Delete Everywhere. Our third step is to clear the persistent storage. To do this, we open Settings. Then, we navigate to Devices and Connections, and then click on Blu-ray. After that, we click on Persistent Storage, and then click on Clear Persistent Storage. Our fourth step is to clear the alternate MAC address. To do this, we return to Settings and go to the General section. Then, we click on Network Settings and then on Advanced Settings. After that, we click on Alternate MAC address, and finally, we click on Clear. To apply this step, we need to restart our console. After restarting your console, you can check if the issue is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will proceed to the second solution. Our second solution is very simple: delete and reinstall code. The latest update might have been installed incorrectly or incompletely. Uninstalling and then reinstalling the game should resolve the issue. This solution works similarly on computers and phones as well. A clean installation usually resolves most problems. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.